What's up, folks? This is my unboxing of the Microsoft Surface Duo. I went to downtown Dallas to the AT&T Experience store, right at the foot of AT&T corporate headquarters, to go ahead and pick up this device because that's the only store it was available in, and also to check it out because it's a pretty good place. So if you're ever in Dallas and want to go to a cool little hangout spot downtown, it's worth a check out. All right, here we go. Here is the Surface Duo. As you can see, the device is right at the top. Inside the box you get the bumpers, which I actually like those Surface bumper. We'll go into more of that in my review. Some documentation that no one ever reads. The 18-watt power brick is included. A lot of people were surprised that it was black. You would think with the color of the device being white, or glacier as Microsoft calls it, that the power brick would have been white as well, but in the end it's all the same. Gets the job done. You also get the USB to USB-C charging cable. The device does use USB-C to charge. And here's a better look at the bumpers. Like I said, I'll go into more of that on the review, but it's good to see Microsoft actually included that in the packaging. They really come in handy to keep your device shored up, gets any drops or anything like that. Overall, it's a pretty basic unboxing. Here's the device itself. And I tell you, every review you've seen on this device, and they have been mixed, but every one of them say that this device is built to a premium. I mean, the build quality is incredible on this device. So that's it, just a quick unboxing of the Surface Duo. I know you've seen a lot of them, but I decided to do a little something different with this one. Hey, thanks for checking out my video. Like, subscribe, follow, give me suggestions. There's more to come. Peace.